Tom and Lily live in a small town. Their town is not big, but it is very peaceful. Today is Saturday. The weather is very hot and sunny. Tom says, "Let's go to Sunny Park. It is very large and very wide." Sunny Park is close to their house. They can walk there. When they arrive, they see a big gate. Inside the park, there are many trees. Some places in the park are crowded. Many families are having picnics. But near the lake, it is very quiet. It is a peaceful place. Lily says, "I like quiet places. They make me feel comfortable." They sit on a bench near the small lake. The lake is not large, but it is very beautiful. Suddenly, they hear music. They see a man with a big red balloon. Tom says, "That balloon is very expensive." The man smiles. "Yes, it is expensive, but it is very special." Tom and Lily do not buy the balloon. They choose something different. They buy lemonade because it is very hot. Next, they go to the playground. The playground is very crowded. There is a tall slide and a short slide, a big swing and a small swing. Tom tries the tall slide. Lily chooses the short slide. They laugh and have fun. After 1 hour, the weather changes. Now it is windy and a little cold. Tom says, "Oh, now I am cold." Lily laughs. "First it was very hot. Now it is cold." They sit under a tree. It is very quiet and peaceful there. They see 2 dogs. One dog is very big. The other is very small. The dogs look very different, but they are both very friendly. The big dog runs fast. The small dog runs slowly. At the end of the day, the park is not crowded anymore. It becomes very quiet again. Tom says, "This park is large, wide, and very interesting." Lily smiles and says, "It is my favorite place because it is close to our house and very peaceful." They walk home happily.